You playing with your puppies? Are you playing with your puppies? Go play with your mother. Stop chewing my toes. There's Uncle Tarkus wanting to see what's going on.
Can Tarkus come in here?
No, not yet. Still very protective of our babies. Uncle Tarkus can come and watch. She won't mind that, but I don't think she'd want him in here.
The puppies were 5 weeks old when Saphira and Dan, remember?
Are you having trouble keeping track of 11 kids, Saphira? Hey? Them 11 kids are driving you nuts. She is so happy to be able to come in and play with her puppies. Because she was kept away from them because of her mastitis. And the medication she was on for it wouldn't have been good for them. Is everybody wearing out now? Five minutes of playing with Mum. Oh, look, attacking Mum. Who was attacking you, sir? Oh, she's having a drink. Is it thirsty work looking after 11 puppies, Saphira? Oh, and who's killing the fish? That would be Cadbury. Keep moving, Saf. No boobies. Good girl. Tell her to keep moving when they try and latch on, and she moves, which is good. Mummy and 2 of her kids sharing a drink, or 1 of her kids sharing a drink. Good girl. You are such a good mummy, Saphira. Yes, you are. You are such a loving mummy. You are such a loving mummy. Playing game? Oh, now, see, she saw Daddy. She wasn't sure who that was. So she had to make sure. Still protective of our puppies.
Straight line race from 0 to 100 and then back to 0 again. Sadly,